Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Hempco, CanTrust, basically hemp products in general, and give you an update on everything. I'm going to start off with an interesting video. This is on CanTrust's site. It's basically talking about how CBD products are very good for pets, and I'll give you my thoughts after the video is done. Let's start.
There's a new frontier in the cannabis industry, and not just talking about when marijuana becomes legal in Canada in October. One GTA-based marijuana producer is not only creating cannabis products for humans, but for their four-legged companions as well.
Are you hungry?
It's breakfast time for Twiggy the Chihuahua, but with one important side. Ever since her beloved pet was diagnosed with lymphoma in November, Natasha Frakes always includes CBD oil in her dog's breakfast.
I'd heard about the use of CBD for cancer and for dogs, and so I figured why not? It can't hurt.
By then, Twiggy was not alert, not eating, and given only a few months to live. Frakes says she didn't want to put the senior dog through chemo, so she decided to give CBD oil a try. It's a liquid that's extracted from the marijuana plant that does not include the component that makes users high and animals sick.
I gave it to her, and it was pretty much miraculous. It was like she rose from the dead.
There'll be pills, there'll be oils, there'll be topicals.
Now, licensed marijuana producers like CanTrust want a piece of the estimated $7 billion pet industry in Canada. The Vaughan-based company has already earmarked a huge portion of the plants grown in their Niagara area warehouses for pet products.
Probably about 10%. So when you think about 100,000 kilos, I mean, that's a big number. 10,000 kilos towards pets is a big number.
There is a lot of human research that is showing a lot of promise, and I think a lot of veterinarians are interested.
Cannabis for pets is yet to be approved by Health Canada or the Canadian Veterinarian Medical Association. Many experts say while more research is needed, the potential for pets and pot is there.
Some of the areas I think that show a lot of promise are in seizures in our dogs and cats, as well as anxiety disorders and potentially things like pruritus or itchiness in pets.
She's lived way longer and she's not in pain, so it's been pretty incredible.
Frakes says she's not waiting for approval. Twiggy turning over a new leaf is all the proof she needs.
Now I'm telling anybody who has a pet or who has cancer for that matter that why not try it.
First comes legalization in October, then CanTrust hopes that Health Canada will approve its products for pet use soon after. They hope to have a majority of their products in vet offices by 2019. Amanda Ferguson, City News.
Hempco has so that was CanTrust. Now I'm gonna talk about Hempco. Hempco has pretty big decline lately. It went from almost $2 in a month to all the way down to $1.35. I think it's a buying opportunity, but that's just me though. Disclaimer, like, don't buy it just because I think it's a buying opportunity. Buy it because you've done your own research and you believe in the company and you think that it's a good company to invest into. Then yeah, but don't buy it off me, because I'm not a registered advisor, so I can't really give you advice on what to buy or what to sell, for any of it, because I don't have any credentials. So if you buy something because you heard it off my channel, please be aware that it's you made the choice to buy it. So why I think Hempco is interesting. Okay, so on March 19, 2018, Hempco signed a distribution agreement with Kane Veteran Supply. Kane Veteran Supply is in Canada. They have almost 2,000 pet stores that carry products, and Hempco is going to be selling product to the pet supply, and that's a big market, because once people be aware that, hey, CBD is helping my pet live longer, become healthier, then people are gonna start buying CBD food products for their pets, so their pets live longer and is healthier. According to the video that you just watched, you know, that dog was like, it was helping that little dog recover. So that's why it was that's why I brought it up. I thought it was interesting. And then let's talk about CannTrust. CannTrust is an interesting company, but right now they only have a 17,000 kilogram supply agreement, and they're producing, right now they're producing around 50,000 kgs per year. So technically they're gonna be oversupply unless they get unless they can ship that product to Europe, and I like CannTrust. I think it's a good company. Like, even though the CEO says that it's undervalued, he thinks the market cap's undervalued when you compare it to, like, you know, Aurora and Alfira and Canopy and Metroleaf. Maybe it could be, but at the end of the day, I don't market these monies. I mean, I don't market the stock. It's like banks and rich people. The money has to come from somewhere. So so CannTrust is right now, it is actually undergoing GMP certification. They expect it to be finished the first quarter of 2018. So once they have that, once they announce that news and they have it, maybe the stock will shoot up, because right now there's only 6 companies that GMP certified, and that's Aurora, Canopy, Afria, Tilray, American, and there's another one, but I'm not sure what it is. So, Metroleaf. But Metroleaf's gonna be merging with Aurora, so that means it's gonna be 5. And then when CannTrust gets theirs, it'll be 6. I'm sure more companies will be getting their GMP certification, but I'm not. But it's important. It's important to have this because, like, they have to ship the product somewhere. Like 17,000 kilograms for the entire year is not enough, and then Alberta is giving them 6 months, so you actually have to, like, subtract that, you know, because they're not guaranteed more supply agreement with Alberta. But yeah, it's an interesting company. I done a lot of research on this company, and I think it's a good company. But would I buy this company? No, I would rather buy Hempco, because why? Hempco has a partnership with Aurora. The company's worth $81 million versus, you know, CannTrust $727 million. Yeah, Hempco is not in cannabis, but once that Nisku facility is up and running, and I think next year they're gonna show some really good numbers, like in the 5 to 10 million range, maybe even higher, because that Nisku facility is supposed to be, like, producing them a lot of product. So it'll be an interesting year for Hempco next year. Yeah, you can't. I mean, could the stock go down further? It could go down further, but at the end of the day, it's still I think it's still not, like, it's not overvalued. It's not a big bubble, because look how cheap it is, $81 million, right? So yeah, that's all I have, really. Thanks for watching, guys. 30 more seconds. Wow, this video is short. I'm gonna probably be making another video and series on T-God and my thoughts on it. Like an update on T-God. It's the stock of the price is holding up pretty good, I guess, because they had some kind of news. I'm gonna talk about this corporate rewards shareholders. So yeah, stay tuned for my T-God video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.